Are the Carhartt duck fabric overalls, and these are insulated. Basically what that means is they have insulation in them. It's summer now. I actually got these for a gift. These are the medium shorts, all right? Very nice. You can see the pockets that they have. Pockets here. They have a zipper for man stuff. They have a zipper up here for some stuff. Put my hand in there, right? They got like a pocket. This is sort of like a pocket, like a dress shirt pocket size. And then there's another couple pockets, I think, on here. There's a belt loop, oh yeah, and there's pockets on the side. I forgot about these. These are like thinner pockets, you know, maybe for like a knife or something like that. And you got one on each side. This one's like the painter's one, you know. And then on the side, also you have a zipper, so you can unzip these and button them. It is 90 something degrees today. It's extremely hot. But these are the clasps. But yeah, let me show you. I'll put them on. Ow. And usually what I gotta do is do like a little jump. And there we go. So these are definitely for the winter. All right. I like them. They're a little baggy. Like here, if I bring you down here, they are a little more baggy than I would like. I don't know if you see this down here. If I go side profile, they just look like I got like a diaper on. But you know, if I'm cold, I guess it really doesn't matter. I'm definitely gonna be using these during the winter. Fire pits, working outside, doing landscaping in the winter, shoveling, whatever I'm doing in the winter. I don't have a job that takes me outside in the winter, but I do a lot. I have a lot of hobbies and I do work outside a lot. So these are really nice. Carhartt, I've wanted these for years, got them for a gift. These are the short mediums, okay? When I got the regular mediums, they were just way too long. You know, like I like this stuff that fits tight. So this is a little different for me, but I guess you wear a pair of pants underneath of them, so that's why they make them a little baggier. Also for like a football game, you go to the game, sit up in the thing, and it's really cold. This would be really nice to have on. I'm really excited, pumped.